Hi Arogya family, my name is Dr. Gopika Nair. Welcome to Arogya PhysioTips. आपका आरोग्य PhysioTips में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Today is my topic about cardio in DR. You might not hear about it, right? No worries. In this video, I'll explain all exercise according to you. So we already make a few video in DR exercise. Sitting का बनाया है, standing and laying down, ball. So if you didn't watch yet, please go and watch those video and come back to the cardio exercise video. First video, I'll teach you first exercise pattern, then second the breathing pattern. The exercise pattern will be stand on the one leg, hand horizontal straight. Breathing pattern will be blow out, straight, breathe in and back. Blow out, straight, breathe in, back. In both hand you should continue and you should do in both leg as well. For the next exercise, you need to do this movement first. The exercise pattern will be, the leg will be like this, okay, and the hand will go alternatively. Left, right, cross and cross. This is the pattern you need to do. Blow out. Breathing pattern will be blow out. How to do? Blow out. Blow out. You can take the hand backside when you're doing with the other leg. Blow out. Blow out. And now you need to, this I show you in slow manner, okay? आपको थोड़ा speed में करना है. Just do it in fast movement. I'll show you. So this is the way you need to continue. And while doing it, blow out, blow out, blow out continuously. While and doing this, don't come up. Just do it continuously in a same manner. And just do it as much as you can. You should not feel exhausted. So next exercise is squat jump. Okay. So whoever is going with the hernia, make sure consult with your physiotherapist doctor. Then do this exercise because it's a jumping. It might create a pain. So now in this exercise, you need to first in the squatting position. Make sure the squat will be like this, not like this. Your knee will be straight, back straight. Knee straight, back straight, the hump should not come, and take your hand, then jump. Blowing pattern will be blow out, breathing pattern will be blow out. Do it as much as you can able to. You should not feel fatigue. I'm telling you again because exhaust should not happen again and again. Whatever you are doing it, you should do it slow manner, and this is a jumping. So you can do it in squat position, jump, blow out, jump, blow out, jump, blow out. So that you should not feel, you will not feel any type of exhaust. If you are feeling it, do it for 5 reps, then wait, hold on, then again do it for 5. So next exercise, both hand and one leg. How you have to do is, the pattern will be straight, hands up, breathing pattern will be blow out and perform those exercises, okay? So the exercise pattern will be straight, touch, with the other hand, same leg, straight, touch, okay? So you need to do with the breathing pattern. I'll let you know again. If you are taking weights, if you can able to take or lift the weights, you can take a weight in straight, 2 kg weight, and you can do it like this. Okay, make sure you should do this again in other leg as well. If you are feeling exhausted, take a break and then do continue. Next exercise, you should come in crawling position. The exercise pattern is come to crawling. The arch should not be there, should be straight, neutral. And your hand will go to 90 degree. Breathing pattern will be blow out and breathe in. So this chest press in that, you should keep little bit apart your hand, just broader and just press down and up. So you need to blow out. How? Make sure while coming up, this should not happen. It should be like this only, neutral position, that you need to make sure, then only your core will engage. और अगर ऐसे भी चला गया, it's not good. You have to keep it little bit away from your shoulder. Should be like, जब नीचे जाओगे, should be 90 degree and try to press your chest, not your chin. Next exercise is in same crawling position with lifting your knee. How? I'll show you. The exercise pattern will be same in crawling position. Movement of exercise is this. Make sure it should not fold like this. Little bit, lightly. You just need to just slightly fold it and then push back. How much? Just you have to feel the stretch in the abdominal muscles. When you feel the stretch in the abdominal muscles, that's what you are engaging your core as well and performing the good. Now, the exercise pattern is this. Now one more thing, don't tilt your back. This is the thing again and again every patient is doing. Don't tilt your full hip. Just you need to keep it in this position and push, come back. Push, come back until you are feeling the stretch. Push, come back. No need to hold. Okay? And the breathing pattern will be breathe out, perform. Breathe out, perform. Okay? We are going to start. I'll show you again. Keep it in this position. Little bit fold. Blow out. Make sure you should do in both legs in same way, and you should not feel exhaust again and again. I'm not saying any repetition. Do it as much as you can able to. That's it. That you should not feel fatigue over that area in the abdomen area. Core should not get fatigue or exhaust. Just continue as much as you can. The next is side plank. Many people are asking, can we do plank, can we do side plank or not? Yes, you can do side plank. If your muscle strength is too good, you can do plank as well. But now you have to do the side plank in such a way. I tell you that the exercise pattern will be side line on your elbow. Because many people are not getting the support in this position, you can take your hand in forward position. Go back a little bit, spine should be straight. Exercise pattern, go up, down, no need to hold. Go up, down, go up, down. If your strength is good, core engage is very well, it's going in good way, then you can lift it up, hold it for a while, then relax, okay? One more thing, the modification is you can straight take your another leg and do it in the support position, and you can lift up and down. You can take your hands if it's comfortable, or for me it's not about comfortable. So I'll take up and down, up and down. If you can comfortably do it, take up, hold it for a while and relax. Make sure it should be aligned position straight, okay? And repetition, you need to do it in both legs as well as much as you can. Next exercise, bridging. You might know about the bridging, but there is a modification in this. The pattern is normally the way you are doing up, down, but the breathing pattern, how you have to do. Breathe in, up, blow out, close your vaginal mouth and down, okay? If you close it, then only your core get engaged, because many people don't know how to engage the core. Back straight and then engage the core. That is also a good way. And one more thing, you can go up while blowing out, coming down. You can close your lip, you can close the lip of vaginal and then down, okay? I'll show you one more time. Breathe in, blow out, down. Then your hip and your muscle will start shivering. The shivering is known as, yes, we are engaging the core. It's that the sign. Again, breathe in, blow out and down. Breathe in, blow out, close the mouth and down. Close the mouth in the sense, vaginal mouth, you need to squeeze, do the Kegel, okay? And then relax. In next exercise, it's toe touching in that same lying down position, fold your knee. This is your pattern of exercise in the tabletop position. And while performing the exercise, you need to close your vaginal mouth. The way you are holding your urine, same way you need to close your mouth and then touch toe down and up. Touch your toe down and up one by one. No need to do it together. While doing this, you will feel the shivering in the abdomen area, and that what we can get to know, yes, you are doing it properly. And relax. I'll tell you, I'll perform it one more time. Please do it. Tabletop. Blow out. While blowing out, you need to perform the exercise. Blow out, close the mouth and down. Blow out, close the vaginal mouth and touch up. blow out, close the vaginal mouth and touch, up, then relax. Do it as much as you can, no need to do it 10 repetition, 20 repetition. If you can do it comfortably, you can go for it. This part of the exercise is my favorite because it's very fun to do. In this exercise, you need to sit in long sitting position. The exercise pattern will be move. Just slide your buttock here, move and slide, okay? And go back as same as it is. Go back, go back, go back, go back. No need to slide like this. Just go back with the help of your butt, and plus your leg will be straight. The gluteus, that should move more, okay? And one more thing, the breathing pattern is blow out. I'll show you one more time. No need to do slowly. Whatever exercise we are doing in the DR exercise or cardio, you need to do it slowly. Relax. In this exercise, same bridging you have to do, but the pattern will be one leg straight. Whoever can able to do, then only you have to. This is optional because many of the people can't able to do this exercise because their core is not that much strong. If you can able to do, please go for it. This is good for you. Bridging position, one leg up, hands down, and you need to do the push up, up, up with the help of back. Push up, up, up. Now breathing pattern will be blow out. So I'll tell you one more thing. In before, when we done the bridging, in that breathing lift up, blow out, down. In this, you have to do it blow out continuously. While performing any type of exercise or while performing those exercises, you need to blow out and relax. So I'll show you again. One leg straight, blow out. Down. If you can able to hold in up position and do those things, push up, it's very good. If you can't, you can take break and go again. Take break and go again. This is also fine. After 2 exercises, you need to drink a sip of water, then you can continue those exercises. Please let us know. Please put on your doubts in the comment section. If you have any doubts, we'll for sure clear it out. And please give a big thumbs up to this video. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Please go and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Witness your fitness with us. See you in next video. Bye bye.